In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stealth kill in Red Dead Redemption 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can perform stealthy takedowns in Red Dead Redemption 2. This can be useful during missions where there are multiple enemies and you want to pick them off one by one. You can essentially take an enemy down with a single blow, which is effective, and it opens up a lot of options for you to approach those missions. So, first, you will need the proper weapon to do this. Mainly, it is going to be done with the knife. So, just equip a hunting knife or any other compatible melee weapon. You will have to approach your target before they spot you, you have to approach them silently while crouching, and you need to have the melee weapon equipped. Like I said, the knife is always going to be your best bet, however, you can also try to do this unarmed, without any weapon equipped. You will have to press the melee attack button. It is essentially a silent chokehold or a similar non-lethal takedown. Either way, as I've said before, make sure that you are crouching. So, crouch down and approach the enemy from behind. When you are crouching, you will see the prompt available at the bottom right corner of the screen, so the button will be displayed here. So in this example here, you have to use the B button to perform this stealth kill. So you are crouching, you have the weapon equipped, and you will see the prompt at the bottom. Immediately upon pressing the button displayed here, depending on which platform you are on, of course it can be PC, PlayStation, Xbox, an animation will play out. You will use your knife, or if you are unarmed, you will try to perform the non-lethal takedown. And this is how it looks like. After you stab them, the enemy will be dead, and you will have performed a stealth kill. You can of course kill them with ranged weapons as well, but I assume that most people are interested in how to perform this stealth kill animation that is special. So you will have to walk up behind an enemy, and you can only do this special stealth kill when you see this prompt available at the bottom right corner of the screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to stealth kill in Red Dead Redemption 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.